Quick question. Have you ever understood English, but when it's your turn to speak, your brain disappears?
Like poof, gone. My brain is 404 coded already.
Today, we'll fix that with 2026 American slang, but beginner-friendly, and we'll practice it in real conversations.
And at the end, we're doing a slang survival quiz. If I lose, Emily gets to roast me in English.
Comment right now, are you Team Emily or Team Paul? One rule, slang is informal, great with friends, not always at work.
Unless your boss is cool.
No, don't risk your salary.
Okay, today's goal, understand it and use it naturally in a sentence.
Every minute we'll do meaning, example, repeat, and mini story.
And every time I mess up, you comment, Paul, no.
Slang number 1, pop off. It means you did really, really well.
So if I say one sentence in English without crying, I popped off?
Honestly, yes. Example, your presentation was amazing. You popped off.
Repeat after me. You popped off.
You popped off.
Can I say my pizza popped off?
Only if the pizza jumped off the plate. Comment quick. What's one thing you want to pop off at this year? English, exams, job interview?
Slang number 2, based. It means someone is authentic, confident, unapologetically themselves.
So if I wear socks with sandals, based?
That is a choice, but yes, if you don't care.
You told the truth politely. That's based. Repeat. That's based.
That's based. Now you compliment someone.
You study English every day? That's based. Perfect. If you're still watching, comment based right now. I'm checking. Slang number 3, crashing out. It means burning out or spiraling from stress.
This is me when someone says, speak English only.
Example, I worked all day. I'm crashing out tonight. Repeat, I'm crashing out.
I'm crashing out.
Mini quiz. Which is correct? A, I'm crashing out means I'm exhausted, or B, I'm crashing out means I'm cooking pasta.
B, because I crash into pasta.
Paul, no, it's A. Everyone comment A if you got it. Mini story time. We're at a cafe. Paul wants to order in English.
I walk in confident. I'm about to pop off.
The barista says, what can I get you?
My brain, 404 coded.
You panic and say,
Hello, I would like 1 water with no water.
that's not water, that's air.
Then I whisper, I'm crashing out.
The barista, sir, do you want oat milk?
I say yes. Then I feel based.
Audience challenge. Comment what Paul should say. Option 1, can I get a latte, please? Or option 2, 1 water with no water.
Choose option 2 if you want chaos.
Slang number 4, unk, short for uncle, teasingly used for someone older or out of touch.
If I don't know the new TikTok sound, I'm unk?
If you still say, what's up, fellow kids, you're unk. Repeat, I'm unk.
I'm unk.
Now in a sentence, I don't understand this meme. I'm unk.
I don't understand this meme. I'm unk.
Slang number 5, aura farming, trying to look cool on purpose, often online.
Like posting a studying English photo, but the book is closed?
Aura farming. Example, you posted matcha, candles, and a book. Aura farming. Repeat, that's aura farming.
That's aura farming.
Comment, what's your aura farming post? Gym, coffee, travel, or English study? Slang number 6, chopped. Not good. Disappointing. The vibe is off.
Like my first English accent recording. Chopped.
Or when your phone dies at 1%. That's chopped. Repeat, it's chopped.
It's chopped.
Quick game. I'll say something, you say chopped or not chopped. Free Wi-Fi.
Not chopped.
Slow Wi-Fi.
Chopped.
English subtitles that are wrong.
Extremely chopped.
Mini story number 2. Paul's interview.
I walk in. Outfit is serving. I'm ready to pop off.
The interviewer says, tell me about yourself.
My brain is 404 coded again.
Then you try slang.
I say, hello, sir. I am based.
Paul, no.
Then I say, your company is chopped.
Paul, no times 2. Audience, comment Paul no if you want Paul to keep his job. Correct version, repeat after me. Hi, thanks for having me. I'm excited about this opportunity.
Hi, thanks for having me. I'm excited about this opportunity.
See? Not chopped.
Slang number 7, canon event. A defining moment in your life story, often chaotic. This phrase shows up a lot in student and campus slang too.
Like the first time I said I am agree instead of I agree. Canon event.
Exactly. Repeat, it was a canon event.
It was a canon event.
Comment, what's your English canon event? A funny mistake you'll never forget.
Slang number 8, serve or serving. Delivering a look or vibe impressively.
If I pronounce world correctly, am I serving?
You're serving progress. Example, that outfit is serving. Repeat, you're serving.
You're serving.
Careful, don't say this to your teacher randomly. Use it with friends. Slang number 9, 404 coded. Your brain is not found. Absent, clueless.
404, like a website error.
Exactly. Example, it's Monday morning, I'm 404 coded. Repeat, I'm 404 coded.
I'm 404 coded.
Audience retention check. If you're still here, comment 404 right now. Slang number 10, rich in life. Rich in experiences, friends, peace, not money.
I'm rich in life because I have coffee and Wi-Fi.
And you're improving your English. That's a real flex. Sorry, that's 2024 slang. Repeat, I'm rich in life.
I'm rich in life.
Put it together. I'm rich in life because...
I'm rich in life because I have friends who correct my English.
Final conversation. If you can understand this, you leveled up.
No pressure. I'm already crashing out.
Scene after the interview at the cafe. Hey, how was it?
I think I popped off.
Yes. What happened?
I started strong, then the interviewer asked a hard question, and I went 404 coded for 3 seconds.
Only 3 seconds? That's based.
Thank you. Also, your outfit today is serving.
Stop. You're aura farming me in real life.
Not aura farming, just facts.
Did you say any slang in the interview?
No, I remembered your warning because I'm not unk.
Good. If you said based to your interviewer, your career would be chopped.
True, but honestly, today felt like a canon event.
Your English glow-up canon event.
And even if I don't get the job, I'm rich in life.
Exactly.
But I hope I get it. Please pray.
Comment pop off for Paul's luck. Speed quiz. Comment your score out of 5. Pop off equals A, do amazing, or B, fall down.
A.
Chopped equals A, disappointing, or B, delicious.
A.
Aura farming equals A, trying to look cool online, or B, planting trees.
A. But planting trees is also cool.
404 coded equals A, brain not working, or B, brain working too much.
A.
Rich in life equals A, money, or B, experiences or friends.
B.
If you want more real English conversation practice, subscribe. Final comment challenge. Write a 2-line story using any 2 slang words. We'll reply.
If you write one water with no water, you're based.
Paul, no! Bye!